Start your digital journey with GeoTechnoSoft. We believe in a transition from digital transformation to true digital empowerment. At GeoTechnoSoft, we're committed to transforming business by technology. For over 2 decades, we've been the driving force behind digital success, building more than 250 success stories for clients worldwide. Our deep domain expertise spans a wide range of industries, allowing us to deliver solutions that are not just effective, but perfectly tailored to your unique challenges. In the manufacturing industry, we specialize in everything from PLM and procurement to inventory, production, and finance. For cable manufacturing, we streamline planning, production, inventory, distribution, and support. In pipe manufacturing, our focus is on optimizing planning, production, inventory, distribution, and support for maximum efficiency. In fabrication industries, we manage the entire workflow, including design, material preparation, cutting, forming, and finishing. In the beverage industries, we provide solutions for ingredient sourcing, treatment, final packaging, and distribution. And for bottle manufacturing, we cover the complete process: preform or parison, shaping the preform, cooling, and finishing. In construction, our expertise lies in planning, execution, project management, costing, and profitability. We are also experts in distribution businesses, providing end-to-end supply chain management solutions that connect every part of your operation. We've solved all the business issues of the FMCG industries, helping them stay ahead in a fast-paced market. In the retail sector, we've built solutions for department store chains, enhancing their customer experience and efficiency. For automobile industries, our services cover the entire life cycle: CRM, sales, distribution, fabrication, repair, AMC, and service. In fashion and apparel, we build solutions for design, production, stores, and e-commerce portals. Our expertise in healthcare includes crucial systems like EMR, HIPAA, and LIMS. For EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction, we handle everything from engineering to procurement and construction. In event management, we help with planning, execution, inventory, outsourcing, costing, and profitability. Our services extend to the power sector, supporting both non-renewable and renewable energy. For the restaurant industry, we create solutions for cafes, canteens, fine dine, cloud kitchens, POS, kiosks, and online ordering. Our service sector solutions include sales, repair, AMC, outsourcing, and field services. In travel, we have expertise in hotel, airline, visa, and MICE-related services. And for non-profits, we work with foundations, NGOs, community organizations, cooperatives, and FPCs. We also have a strong track record of success with the government, including project offices, administrative offices, and ministries. At GeoTechnoSoft, we are dedicated to empowering businesses with exceptional, cost-effective, and superior technology solutions. Let's start your business transformation today. GeoTechnoSoft, innovators, problem solvers, and your trusted technology partner. Excited to know more? Let's connect or visit our website www.geotechnosoft.com.